Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Wealth Impact. On this video I'm going to teach you how you can sign up on FFX. FFX partnered with MDC. So this company called MDC is the company who brought FFX to Africa. Is the one that brought FFX into Nigeria. So all you have to do is anyone who invited you, ask the person for the invitation link. So once the link is shared, all you just have to do is to copy the link and come to your browser and paste the link. So that MDC means my daily choice. So my daily choice is the one promoting FFX. So once the links open up, you just click on that sign up button. That sign up you see up there, just click on it. So after you sign up, there are two ways which you can come into this company. You can come in to become a customer, or you can come in to become an affiliate. Like this, become an affiliate. You can come in to become either an affiliate or a customer. So the two things affiliate does, I'll start with affiliate. As an affiliate, if you come in as an affiliate, that means you want to enjoy the benefits of the company. Like you want to promote and share the 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 you want to share the the testimony of the company with other people. But if you come in as a customer, you just want to buy the product, sell and make your profit, or you want to buy the product for your own personal use, or you want to buy the product for business, like to buy and resell. You buy at a wholesale price and sell at a retail price. So let me assume that you just want to come in as an affiliate. You share the good news to people and you get rewarded. So if you click on that affiliate, all you just have to do, fill your first name, fill your second name, fill your last name, fill your email, fill your phone number, fill your username, and also fill, you scroll up and you input your date of birth, and also you refill your name in the ownership name. Then you put your password. This password must contain letter, character and number. So and it must be up to six, or thereabout 8. Then you repeat the same password. After you repeat the same password, you click on I understand, just like this, and you click the second one again, I satisfy that I have read and agreed terms and conditions. Then you click on enroll and you click on yes. They ask you, are you sure? You click on yes. Are you sure you want to register? You click on yes. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.